Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Logitech G Hub not opening on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search mode and type add or remove programs. Click on open it. Search Logitech G Hub. Click on three dot icon next to it and select uninstall. Select uninstall again. Select yes. You just need to uncheck this box guys before uninstalling it. Uncheck this save my current settings option. This is important. After unchecking it, select the uninstall option. After successfully uninstalled, just select quit and just look up here and open up browser. Search Logitech G Hub download. Select the first link. Select the download Windows option and it will start downloading. After getting download and select this Logitech installer. Select the install option and after getting installed the Logitech G Hub opens without having any problem. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.